All right, take a look at the Jack Boss tie-down straps. It says these have a 1,500-pound brake strength and a 500-pound capacity. So we can see we got 4 of them. It's pretty awesome. That's like that we got a soft cover on the handle on here, so it's going to make it a lot more nice to actually operate. And you can see as I rotate this around, this is just going to rotate this cylinder. So there's 2 parts to each ratchet strap. We got the ratchet, and then we got the strap with the hook. Very nice nylon webbing on here, and it looks like they really cared about the stitching, so that's good. And we got a nice heavy-duty hook on the end. So all we're going to do, we're going to find one of these slots, push the webbing in from the front, and then pull it around the back. And the key to doing this and making it work right is to make sure that this doesn't get twisted, that it doesn't fold, that it doesn't do anything weird like that. We want to keep this nice and straight. And then as we rotate this, it'll spin that cylinder, and it'll wrap that strap around that cylinder. Now you can see if we grab this and pull it, that is going to hold on nice and tight. And we can see it's not going to release right now. There's a little latch right here to get it to go the rest of the way. So we got to pull that toward us, and that will flatten that out. And we can pull that strap right out. So we got 4 of these, and it also looks like they gave us some soft hooks. So that's very cool. There's a lot of uses for these things, but one of the things you can do with it, if you need to go around like a leg or a bar or something like that, you can just wrap this around it. Then you can just hook onto that strap, so you'll have a nice soft grab on that instead of putting this harder hook on it. So I'm actually really impressed that they put these in there as well. So we got 4 total ratchet straps, and we got 4 of these soft straps. So that is pretty awesome. So if we wanted a sure way of strapping this bike down, and this goes for motorcycles as well as bicycles, throw this strap on, and put our ratchet strap on, string it through, and we're not going to need very much, so we can just pull as much as we want. If we're going to be using this all the time for the same purpose, you can even cut this just to save yourself a little time, make a dedicated strap of it. I'm not going to do that today. We want to pull it tight, and then as we ratchet that, that'll ratchet down. So we got this side tied down. Now we just do the exact same thing on the other side, and that bike will not be able to leave the back of this truck. And it'll just be a matter of taking all this leftover, make sure that that's wound up somewhere, tied off so it's not just flapping in the wind, and this will be ready to go. So ratchet straps, if you need to tie stuff down, there is nothing better than it. They are fantastic.